Previously on The Bartender.
So, Miss Goody, I can sing my favorite song.
Yes, Charmian, but more you focus on hosting more than singing.
What is it, Stephanie? Is it because I've always been ahead of you in medicine? Or maybe the fact that Patrick liked me instead of you?
You are a delusional woman, Maxine. You have always been. Nobody wanted you. Even when you forced yourself at them, rejection made you mad.
I didn't care for any of you. I was the best in medicine. You know what? I am the best doctor on this island. All of you are beneath me.
Thank you for this display of anger management.
Come on. As a matter of fact, don't budget for it already. So you can't decide after 1 week to come send back product. You wanna take back product, bad man. Plus me all a year say you come Pappy Dilly. When they want quick foot, I come talk about say we have to take back that and in a no long talking.
Tell quick foot, say me soon see. Yeah.
Foot. Remember you did slap with the one little silly brother, you know.
And him kill 3 hour warrior them. Anytime me see him, I send him go visit him, brother.
Come on, come on, please.
Bubbles, just leave me now, please.
Slimmers, come out of my face.
Carlton, you're awake.
Who you? Where am I there?
Welcome home, Carlton.
Whom? Listen, me say who you and where am I there?
Honey, I brought you back. Do you remember anything? Look at me. Do you remember anything?
Don't move.
Carlton, what you do?
I'm not afraid I'm gonna shot you in your face. Let me tell you, man, somebody for you play with.
Mr. Landlord.
Good. Now we have some work to do.
spin up and down like a merry-go-round. Yeah, me love it when you bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. She drop it down on the floor and I tell me she want it some more. Yeah, me love it when you bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. You see me, girl?
Yeah, so we'll go from the top here now. You do the chorus already, so we could drop a verse, see?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright, watch out. Play back for me then, Guru.
Yeah, man.
Alright, pull up there. See it, yeah? Bounce along. Girl, you alone can turn me on. From the night time right back to the morning. And up in your belly, well, that a go on. Yes, that a go on. Yes, that a go on. Bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. Love it when you bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. Me, I look out from basic school to primary school. Watch your dog, me say me reach a high school. Get the number, she did that take me for your fool. But everything Chris now, everything cool. Guru, me movie now. Me start groovy now. No, me nah losing, no, me nah losing, no. Alright, she turn it back way, she fling it, gimme. Me not fool, me not Billy, me not name Timmy. Gimme fatty, gimme tickers, gimme slimmy. I make she sit down on the thing, I saw me win it. Make she fly off, whoa, like a bingy. I like a kite in the ear, you not hear the zingy. When my dash she fling it, she just a gimme, gimme. Me just a beat up the thingy. Go.
Yeah.
Right, so you say?
But. Yeah, man.
Why didn't you tell Dr. White that you were associated with Dr. Grant?
You should have said something, Dr. Clark.
Why? What difference would it make? The woman proved that she's a nut.
Because you pushed her.
That's why she sent a complaint to Dr. White, saying the interview was biased.
I don't care. That woman does not set foot in another hospital.
But that is not your call, Dr. Clark.
And I will not allow you to have my credibility in question based on your personal grievance with this woman.
If you knew who Maxine Grant is, you'd understand that she's not right for this profession.
You can't expect us to judge this woman based on the issue you have with her.
Exactly. What you did was unprofessional and unethical.
Deborah, never question my ethics or professionalism.
I just did, Stephanie.
This is not becoming of either of you.
I am going to Dr. White and I'm telling him that you have a personal vendetta against this woman. And based on that, you purposely provoked the situation in the interview.
Are you sure you want to do that, Deborah? You know, I am not someone to play with. If I were you, I would keep my mouth shut.
Are you serious, Stephanie?
Shut up, Steve. You are all like robots in this place. Just do what you're told. If wife says jump, you act so high. I am saving this profession from this lunatic. As long as I'm a doctor, she doesn't practice medicine in any local hospital. You all will thank me one day. Hello, Jenny, how are you? Wait, what? Where are you? I'm on my way.
Tell me she want it some more. Give me love it when you bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. Yes, my girl, just leave her alone. She ain't no press button, me say no, she not a phone. We are gonna stick together.
Yo! Mark! Brother, yes, that's why I'm here good song this, you know. Brother, watch out now. No one you to tell nobody say she my kind of bill and song you find, you see me?
She's going up and up and
Jesus!
It that. Bounce it, bounce it.
Yo, me have to send it go good right now, make she hear the fast.
Tell me she wanted some more. Yeah, me love it when you bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it.
This is serious, Jenny. She has lost a lot of blood. And she could have a punctured lung. We might have to take her to the hospital.
So she have to go to the hospital, doc. You know nothing where you have where you can't work on her now.
No, I wouldn't want to do that and possibly infect the womb. How did this happen, by the way?
What you mean? So you know if she alright? Why your sister behave hysterical and I scream down the place and I go on, but before I leave, I check her vital signs and she's alright. She's still alive. As much as I'm not like her, I don't like how that sound though. But what you do over there though? DB said Browning tell her sister about what happened to Carlton. What? So even her still a link up? Yo, you see that you this to her?
Good day.
Yes.
You know someone finish the song. So I know.
Yeah, I'm Browning still in her things.
Like God no bubbles.
My concern is keeping all the way out of jail. No another time for secrets, DB. No one there they look so guilty when she called me over the house. And your girl still a link up.
She called me because her conscience are bad her, so she tell her sister about what happened.
And the only when her conscience about her she call you. But me, I want
Yo,
you
relax yourself. I'm not going like say you want to come raise my voice off of me and come blame me if you walk on.
Who not bother me?
Yo, Bubbles, easy I make me talk. Remember say a fool no plan for go for your landlord husband, you know. Remember who no plan that. And if me never overhear what go on and reach in time, the whole 4 round would have dead. Remember say a who no call Browning, you know. And never me.
DB Browning gets stabbed, you know.
What?
She accidentally dropped on the knife.
Jenny, based on that room, she did not fall on the knife. That can't be the true story. Were you both fighting?
It's an accident. Never me for stab her. Never me for stab her.
You might need to report this.
I don't want the police involved. You can't work on her, please.
Alright. I'm going to call an ambulance.
Brownie was sorry. Brownie was sorry.
So what you plan for though?
Uno, I know me not do nothing.
Oh, so she did good enough to help you with the plans, but she can dead now.
Listen, when me leave, our sister says she gonna call a doctor to help her. You want go on over there and make her know what happened with her?
Yeah, me have a check. For myself, to make sure she's alright. And for phone's sake, you better make sure she's alright.
I really fear her sister's sake. Yeah, I remember say she stab her.
Goody. But no saying I like Browning. Cause I just feel say me and Browning in a something. But me and Browning in a nothing. Are you me want? Are you me always want? But it look like you're too blind for see that.
Dead shit for dead.
Oh, go on, get it. Yeah, nothing. See, good to be here. So, go on. You know, you're nothing from Daddaz. Tell about them boy there. Tell us you need me to trust them neither. See, I know them can't ever say about nothing I hear from none of them and them.
Kill it. Let me tell you something. Never make me hear you refer to the Daddaz as them boy there. When me tell you, say if you always do, respect your enemies.
Moreover, the way I say nothing. But you see the one when him quick foot, me not have no respect for him. And anyway I buck him, remember, a trouble. I know it's a blood thicker than water. But quick foot slap with your brother over a skirt tail. I remember saying, you know, him go over upon the man them turf, go give him 3 points. So kid, what you say to me? Me not supposed to defend my brother after them boy they do that? Of course! You have to defend that. But you can't expect to get the warriors them involved in your family affairs. All me know, you know. You see, anyway me see that boy dead, me know say skull like a crack and you can't do nothing about that. How you dead a bit? Kill him, let me tell you something. Bird fly too past, shit in him nest. You hear that? I remember saying, we have more important things than that to deal with right now. Kid, important? What more important than my local brother? What you try to say? For them thing important than my local brother with them kid? And that you tell me, say? Let me know for that you tell me, say, them important than my local brother with drop out, you know? My lord, how are you pray? How are you there? Me a pray for kill back a boy. That me a pray. Let me tell you something. Your brother get killed over a girl because him stubborn. And him hot. But you and me a say, no war can't start with C-Park, man. Because we have business. And you see, if you go over there and start a war, you better steal over that. King, if you think my brother head hot, you don't see nothing yet. See lava ya. Here we are. You got call Daddaz and find out what the verdict on the stash name have done there for me. I swear they done that. Boy, you go down on the boy Teddy, the was in fence, and tell him say, miss it, send the money come. No! I'm not gonna like it if me have to come down with you. You over? Ah. Say a word, kid. Yo, Slimmers, what I got? That's a one. Here, just come link me. Hear that? Just come link me.
Right. So what one? I get my boy here.
Me. You know, say one man I say you're rare, but 500,000 he must say he must see.
No. I can't work. 800 the least. Remember say $1 million we are forward from.
No man, that is a show him, but true, you know one let him go from there. Say it, you see me.
Link him back, man. Tell him to put up. Yeah.
boy that tell boy I send to you.
That me a talk about, you know, brother. You know, I want to make, you know.
Yo, King. You know, say, hey boy, quick foot and him friend them rush me.
My lord, what me tell you if you do? Me not tell you if I call Dada. There's a reason why me tell you if I call Dada in here. Will you take up yourself gone over there for?
Me a walk. Hold on, no, King. King, hold on, no. King, I walk go link the man them, you know, say.
You alright, bro?
Yeah, me good, man. Me not think them a follow me, man. But everything good, yeah.
You sure? Alright. You are going to go on. Now I send somebody to come pick you up. I'm going to call Dada and you are going and get a full overs of our situation. You hear that?
Alright, me a forward.
I brother, you need a check-up from him neck up. Me tell the man, say, call. When going down for the man black and look. Jaja.
Hey. Now, man, what you say? She and her thriller supposed to come to the karaoke?
Yes, sir. More than the journey, my home. But me, I don't get her. I don't know I'm to her phone. I'm going to figure more likely she don't call me back, but I know I'm not hear from her.
Boy, me not know enough. Cause, but come to think of it, me not hear from her either.
And I may say, but you know, so me have the karaoke today, so I guess she will come. Because she want to go shopping.
Jesus, you know, say, me talk to 5 about or something there. Well, maybe she want him feel how she feel. Show off with her new boo.
I'm alright, here. Me and Oripa get ready there in a bubble, so when you come, we'll finish that.
Alright, goodie. When we come.
Alright.
Back to the original?
Oh yeah. I make some changes.
What's the changes?
Voting. Because
Alright, no problem.
Mr. Landlord. Mr. Landlord.
Good day to you.
Hello, miss. You come to karaoke? But you're early, man.
Oh, there's a karaoke here today. That's pretty nice. I didn't even know that was gonna happen.
Then, miss, and where you come from? England? You that nice, though. We like it.
If I'm from England, you're a really smart girl. Could I have one more of those, please?
You talk nice, man. So you know a queen. So you say you want one more of them, yeah?
Yes, please.
Alright, coming up. Don't move your ear.
Alright.
Miss.
Thank you.
So I just want to know you want?
Yes. For now, thank you. Do you have a note? No. It's okay. So, what's the name of this bar?
So miss, they use their mouth to me back to England too? Well, miss, it's bar named Good Devil's Bar.
Goodables. Who's the owner?
No must Miss Goody from your ear, Good Devils. You know him? You don't know Miss Goody? He artist too, you know?
Is that so? Goody, that's her name. She's an artist. Oh. So what is happening here tonight?
So me say Def, you know me tell us your karaoke night. You listen with your kidney.
I'm sorry, I totally forgot. About Goody, if she's coming here today.
Yeah, he's supposed to soon come, yes.
I always wanted to meet her. A good friend of mine told me that she's a really nice person. Who else will be coming here at this karaoke?
Well, only people here call this a karaoke are famous.
Will DB be here?
Yeah, everybody will come.
Who else? What's her name? What's Goody's friend's name? I think he's her best friend or something.
Oh, where you want him? When you sitting in there, when you blow again and he's sitting to come out clear. Bubble. Yeah, he see you one. Bubbles. Yeah, him. Yeah, he might come to you, man. Everybody will come. You can't stay for see them, you know, you don't want to see them.
Yes. Actually, I do. Look, don't tell them that I was here, because I just landed. I really just want to surprise them. So that's okay. That's okay. It's a part of the surprise. I will pay for this later, but you've been great help. Thank you.
Miss, you me buy your pay fee later. You have to pay a fee. No, miss.
I will pay.
You can't go. No, miss. We not do business. So yes, so miss.
I'll pay for it later. Thank you.
He said, "Me no forget nobody saying come so me nothing. Never tell Miss Goody saying go with the eye looking. There's this strange looking. Where are you going?
Good afternoon, Sandra.
Yes, good afternoon. Where are you going?
I'm not sure I like how that sound, you know.
How what sounds? I just came in and it looks like you're getting ready to go out. Now where are you going?
You realize that we have certain boundaries that we just not to cross with each other, don't you?
And you're aware that we're now living together, right? So how you used to be before, you definitely can't be that way now.
Sandra, you take the vaccine, I mean, know?
What? Why would you ask that?
Because you act strange. You name Sandra Wallace. wife of Carlton Wallace, mother of my child, when me only see 3 times, 10 minutes every time I see him.
What are you trying to
Yo,
imply?
I'm finished, man. You stay based on circumstances, you understand? Your husband missing and you're out to lose your house. So you can't ask me what me are going at them demanding tone the overs.
I thought you understood why I'm not able to go for Akeem. Didn't I explain to you about what my mother said?
Yo, good to have a little karaoke over our bar. You know? Walk over there and hold our vibes and forward. See me?
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Goodies Karaoke Night. Come on, give me a round of applause.
Very good.
Alright, so at this karaoke, we'll be doing things a little bit different, right? We have a segment where we're going to allow some young artists to come up and showcase them talent and give them 30 seconds. You see if they're not going good, you know where it go. But you see if them going good, the best one at the end of the night are going to receive a prize from our sponsors, which is the Matic Rum. But before we start, let me have somebody from the Matic Rum, a representative, to come and tell you a little bit about the rum.
So clap me too now. Alright. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's a nice pleasure being here. And I'm here representing the brand new rum to the market, Mountain Matic. When I hear about Matic, don't pre-violence. It's all about 3 distinctive bulletin flavors, may I tell you. When you sample them, you're going to have fire. Hear what? What about the white overproof? Strong, 63%. Oh my God. Make everything just bubble up in you. When we go the goal, you are a winner. So you just sip by your goal and easy. Oh my. What about the rum punch?
Yeah.
Oh God. But we here for the rum punch, man. The rum punch sound like it have a vibe. Yeah. You serious? So hear me now. Grab your cup. Put a few cubes. Get your favorite flavor. And remember, roll responsible. And the only Matic this no police can lock you up for. Give away.
It look like they did have the white room before I call him up here, so. Alright, we have the Matic dancers coming to show us the Matic routine right now. Everybody give them a round of applause, please.
Everybody mass up. Now from the love Matic rum, why you go so boom? Glass and glass, make you go so boom boom. Every man want a voice, they go touch up. You no matter if a fatty woman come and tell you about rum. And the big belly Matic with the chip. One in the back, you know they want for your hip. Steady with the Matic, and prefer man for the grip and 63% alcohol at the volume in the overproof cans. Or if a party you a keep. Beer for the pain and road
Oh. Now I know why you didn't want to answer. You going over there to impress a little girlfriend?
Wouldn't even dignify that to the answer.
That's because you're not able to. You know it's true, Winston. Don't walk away when I'm talking to you.
What you do? Don't want to do that again, you know.
Or else what? I'm coming with you.
Nah, God.
Why?
You have nobody over there, son, friend, you know. Only thing you have come over there for doing a pre-me, you know. I'm not gonna have that tonight. You understand? Yo. It's all a fresh, man. Lay down and get some rest. See me?
But Winston, I'm hungry.
You I leave something special for you. My kitchen here.
What is it? Is it shrimp? No. Is it lobster? No, wait. Is it chicken Alfredo? I love that.
Better than that. A recipe book.
What am I supposed to do with a recipe book?
Will you give them an extra round of applause now? Alright, but first, what you know than Daddaz? I'm gonna evaluate. Big up on yourself. So, let me introduce our host with the most, Lady
Daddaz them there, yeah. Good, eh? Stay good.
Ciao. Let me introduce our host with the most, Lady Charmaine.
Come on.
I'm alive. Yeah. And good night, people. Good night, Charmaine. Karaoke room tonight. When you come for me, when you come for me.
One number.
When I hear you breathe, I get wings to fly. I feel that I'm alive. So the first performer of the night is Styles the Hairdresser. Yes, so nice. So Styles, you are DJ or you are hairdresser? Oh, you're multi-talented.
Yeah.
Alright, dear team. Remember 20 seconds you have your yes, sir?
Yeah, man.
So make it quick.
Long time I not see you, baby, me see your face shining bright like the Christmas light. And when I see your face, baby,
Alright, so yourself, Miss Goody in a song, so it happen. In a song, but I don't like you, Miss Goody, so it happen. So, the next performer is, as him just come in, the actress, Shoppy! Give it up to Shoppy again!
Sharon. Yeah, good night, my people. What go on? I never come here so with nothing prepared.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Where you are going now? It's at 4:30. What a style now?
Yeah, man, you can't take it out.
Oh, yo. Alright, Miss Goody said you can't take it.
Come on, you have 20 seconds.
Alright, you want in my 20 seconds. The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, and I said,
my nephew dance.
I knew right there you were the one.
Woo!
But I was caught up in physical attraction, and much to my satisfaction, baby, you were more than just a friend. And if I ever fall in love again.
Alright, Shoppy, come now. Shoppy, are you singing the song? Yeah?
No, I hear me here somewhere already.
Oh, come in, when are you singing?
Alright, Shami, call up the next one.
So, the next performer is Pink Boss. So, Pink Boss, that's what I'm going to do, Goody.
Hold from the top of it. Good.
Code. Daddaz.
God is live.
Good, eh? Don't know the thing, you know. Life changed now, you know, but you don't know before, man, used to do the thing, you see me.
Oh, yummy.
So, yeah, what? You know, and the people them to sit down, you know, me want them get up. Me want everybody go so. When you can't jump, you better box. Box, box, you better box. Box, box.
You better go.
Miss Goody.
Daddaz no work with 20
Miss
seconds.
Goody, I say 20 seconds.
Goody. Talk to country.
Alright, Pink Bass,
Talk to country.
dating.
As a matter of fact, code is life, you know. Daddaz for life.
Take care
You
of
know the
that
shit.
man.
Code is live, what that was said?
Goody, country this me, yeah?
Alright,
Two of you.
alright, back.
Can you must think I play thing this? Miss Goody say at 20 seconds everybody have up here. Me no care you could have pink, purple or blue. Me no care.
Alright, Charmy,
I
call
could
up
have
the next.
bother your eye could have tie up with kerchief. Me no care.
Alright, call up the next person, Charmy.
Yeah, man, my boss, man. Everything good, man. Yeah, man, I done set the whole of that, man. Wait, them general. You know, someone forgot something about karaoke today. Yo, we call it back.
Yes, my youth.
Walk on, father. Walk on. Pull up there. Same place. So I'm ready, you know. Don't know. Show me it. Dog bed that, yeah?
You look good tonight.
Yeah.
Love your shot.
She's going up and down like a merry-go-round. Got me love it when you bounce it.
What I know?
Bounce it. She drop it up on the floor and I tell me she want it so more. Got me love it when you bounce it.
Calm down yourself, baby.
Watch out. Yes, I'm a girl, just leave her alone. She ain't no press but no missing no she not a phone. We are gonna stick together, cement, steel, river, stone. Yeah, my running on my vein, fear stuck in on my bone. A father God set it, the queen for my throne. She called me up at work, my dying to go home.
Mr. DB, sir. This is so good, Mr. DB, sir.
Yeah,
Mr. DB, sir. Come on, Mr. DB, sir. Mr. DB, sir. Me look at Miss Goody, you know. And me say, Mr. DB. Me not tell you what Miss Goody I do.
You tell her that from here?
Me see how Miss Goody. Give me a target. Give me something again, Mr. DB, sir. See if Miss Goody.
Acapella woman. Acapella? Yeah.
I mean, I get her something different. I know my good at that though.
Yeah.
Good day. Alright. See. So move up your body, girl. Me like a fella, but you do something everywhere. Push my toe. Let me pick up something.
Wow, Mr. DB, sir. Miss Goody love me.
Come, Charmy, curfew. Remember curfew time. Oreo.
All right. So, Mr. DB finish off the show. So, I want everybody to go home now. Good night. Thank you for coming. Unuwalande. Me forget to Miss Goody say when I feel night, I get to a matty crumb and one kiss.
Which kiss?
Mr. DB, sir.
Give 3 more time, Matty. Pam.
And the kiss.
Which kiss is Miss Goody?
Charmy and come down this.
Why is that course I know, man? Kiss.
Kiss.
Come on, Pam.
The dog, yeah.
Hear that?
Baddest dog in town.
Yo. It's life. Go there. Yo.
Mr. DB, I'm going to put back in a studio and make Miss Goody kiss you. I'm going to write a song for me. Mr. DB, sir.
So if them try to kill me, all of them have a very good time, innit? So good little puppy in by van. You tell me say Sandra gonna shock up with the dirty and Rasta boy? I'm gonna murder them one by one.
Damn it! Carlton, you need to calm down. Someone once told me that anger is our worst enemy.
Anger is the only thing that keep me going. What we need from you is you to help me to kill every single last one of them.
Carlton, killing them is easy. Now, taking away one's life while they're alive, now that is even better.
Let's talk about Maxine. And one thing me know, kill or be killed. You know how hard me work to build myself from nothing? Look here, you see when I grew up, them tell me say me never gonna turn out to be nothing. I have to teach myself to read because I'm dyslexic. So now you come tell me about to take my life. I don't have time for that. Because first of all, I get an email saying I'm going to lose my house and lose everything I have. So I need to get them out of the way so we can get back to my business. Tell me something, Maxine. Why you saved my life?
I'm a doctor. It comes like second nature to me. I saw you needed help, and only to realize that we have so much in common.
What do you mean? What we have in common?
Unlike you, Carlton, I was a bright spark. I went to the biggest and the best schools there were. I was at the top of my class in the medical field. But I was considered dark by nature, by the color of my skin, and I was pushed aside. I had people envy me because I was always the best. And now they want to take everything from me. Everything I've worked so hard for. Medicine.
So I mean, for me like you just kill them. Get them out of the way.
Carlton. I'm going to make them suffer. No. We're going to make them suffer. The ones that hurt me. The ones that hurt you. The ones that hurt us. Are you in?
Let's do this.